so excited to be here with you today. Look, it is sunny and bright, but there is snow on the ground. How about in your place? Is it also sunny? I bet you too feel warm. Is it rainy? You better have an umbrella. My favorite weather is snow. I hope you too, because I really love ice, just like my friend Olaf. Hi, Olaf. Look, the lake is frozen. Should we play there? Oh no, Elsa. We better not. We might fall into the water because the ice is very thin. You're right, Olaf. We better be careful. Have you ever wondered what's the difference between ice and water? When water gets cold, it turns into ice, which is a solid. When it gets warmer, the ice melts and turns back into water, which is a liquid. Olaf, look! The ice on the lake has melted. Doesn't that make you happy?
Yes, we can now go swimming.
Oh, that was so tiring. I am very thirsty.
Let's make ice cubes to keep our water cool.
Yes! Let's make rainbow ice cubes.
Wow, there are so many colors in a rainbow.
Oh, Olaf, there are 7 colors altogether. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, and indigo.
Wow, they look like sprinkles. Perfect for me.
Now our water can be any color we want, just like magic. What color do you want, Olaf?
I like orange, just like my nose.
I want blue, just like my dress.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Yum!
Let's make rainbow weather, Elsa.
Yes, let's do it. Let's make a rainbow water and maybe a real rainbow will appear. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo. And violet. Olaf, look! A real rainbow!
Yes, we did it!
Olaf, do you want to hear what each color sounds like?
Yes, I want to hear it. Music is one of my favorite things. That was great.
It was! Now we have to get back to Arendelle before Olaf melts. Bye!